Garlic, with its pungent aroma and sharp flavor, is more than just a culinary staple. For centuries, cultures around the world have revered this humble bulb for its remarkable healing properties. From ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine, garlic has been employed to treat a wide range of ailments, solidifying its reputation as a potent natural remedy. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve deep into the world of garlic, exploring its scientifically backed benefits, practical ways to incorporate it into your daily routine, and address important considerations for maximizing its therapeutic potential. And don't forget, our exclusive ebook will provide you with all the insights you need to harness the full power of garlic. Join me as we unlock the power of garlic, nature's ancient healer. Section 2. The science behind the clove: understanding garlic's active compounds. Garlic's exceptional health benefits stem primarily from allicin, a sulfur-containing compound formed when a garlic clove is crushed or chopped. Allicin is responsible for garlic's characteristic pungent aroma and possesses remarkable antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. When garlic is crushed, an enzyme called allinase converts allicin, a naturally occurring compound, into allicin. Allicin, however, is highly unstable and quickly degrades into other beneficial sulfur-containing compounds, each contributing to garlic's therapeutic potential. Research has demonstrated that allicin and its derivatives exhibit potent antimicrobial activity against a broad spectrum of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes garlic a valuable ally in fighting infections and supporting the immune system. Furthermore, garlic's antioxidant properties help protect our cells against damage from harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Garlic's anti-inflammatory effects can also help alleviate inflammation throughout the body, benefiting conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Understanding the science behind garlic's active compounds empowers us to harness its full therapeutic potential. In the following sections, we'll explore the different methods of consuming garlic and their specific benefits. Section 3. Raw power: harnessing the benefits of consuming garlic raw. Consuming garlic raw is widely regarded as the most effective way to maximize its health benefits, particularly its potent antimicrobial properties. When crushed or chopped, raw garlic releases allicin, its key active compound, in its most potent form. While the pungent flavor and aroma of raw garlic may take some getting used to, the health benefits are undeniable. One of the simplest ways to incorporate raw garlic into your diet is by adding finely chopped or minced garlic to your meals. Adding raw garlic to salad dressings, dips, and sauces is another great way to enjoy its flavor and reap its benefits. If you're feeling adventurous, try swallowing a small clove of garlic like a pill. While this method may not be for everyone, it ensures maximum absorption of allicin. Remember to crush or chop the garlic before consuming it raw to activate the allicin production. Allow the crushed garlic to sit for a few minutes to maximize allicin formation before adding it to your dish or consuming it directly. Section 4. Taming the flame: cooking with garlic for flavor and health. While consuming garlic raw offers the most potent dose of allicin, cooking garlic doesn't completely diminish its health benefits. Heat deactivates the allinase enzyme, reducing allicin formation, but other beneficial compounds are still present and released during the cooking process. Adding garlic to your cooking not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also provides a milder way to incorporate its health benefits into your diet. Garlic's sulfur-containing compounds are relatively stable at high temperatures, so don't hesitate to add garlic to stir-fries, soups, stews, and roasts. When cooking with garlic, aim to add it towards the end of the cooking process to preserve its flavor and beneficial compounds. Lightly sautéing garlic in olive oil or butter infuses the oil with garlic's flavor and creates a delicious base for sauces and dressings. Roasted garlic, with its mellow sweetness, is another delicious way to enjoy garlic's benefits. Simply roast whole garlic bulbs in the oven until soft, and spread the roasted garlic on bread, or use it as a flavoring agent in various dishes. Section 5. Garlic in action: a doctor's perspective on real-life applications. Throughout my years of practice, I've witnessed the remarkable effects of garlic firsthand. Patients have reported a range of benefits, from improved immunity to lower blood pressure, simply by incorporating more garlic into their diets. One particular patient, a middle-aged woman who frequently suffered from colds and flus, began taking a daily dose of raw garlic. To her surprise, she noticed a significant reduction in the frequency and severity of her colds, Another patient, a man with slightly elevated blood pressure, started incorporating garlic into his daily diet. After a few months, he noticed a gradual decrease in his blood pressure, to the point where he could reduce his medication dosage under his doctor's supervision. These are just a few examples of the many success stories I've encountered with garlic. While anecdotal evidence should not be mistaken for scientific proof, these stories underscore the potential of garlic as a valuable tool for supporting overall health and well-being. Section 6. Finding your garlic groove. Incorporating garlic into your daily routine. Incorporating garlic into your daily routine doesn't have to be a chore. With a little creativity, you can easily add this pungent bulb to your diet and reap its numerous health benefits. Start by adding fresh, minced garlic to your favorite dishes. A little garlic goes a long way in adding flavor and a nutritional punch to soups, stews, sauces, and stir-fries. Roast whole bulbs of garlic to create a delicious spread for bread or a flavorful addition to dips and hummus. If you're feeling adventurous, try swallowing a small clove of raw garlic like a pill. While this method may not be for everyone, it's a surefire way to get a concentrated dose of allicin. Remember to start slowly and listen to your body. Section 7. A word of caution. Potential side effects and interactions. While garlic is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and interactions. Consuming large amounts of garlic, especially in its raw form, can cause gastrointestinal discomfort such as heartburn, bloating, and gas. Garlic can also thin the blood, so individuals taking blood-thinning medications should consult their doctor before increasing their garlic intake. Additionally, garlic may interact with certain medications, including HIV medications and some chemotherapy drugs. If you experience any adverse effects after consuming garlic, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider. As with any dietary change, it's always wise to consult your doctor, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Section 8. From farm to table. Selecting and storing your garlic. Choosing fresh, high-quality garlic is crucial for maximizing its flavor and health benefits. Look for firm, plump bulbs with tight cloves and no signs of sprouting or damage. Avoid bulbs that are soft, bruised, or have a moldy smell. Storing garlic properly is essential for preserving its freshness and potency. Store whole garlic bulbs in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Avoid storing garlic in the refrigerator, as the moisture can encourage sprouting and mold growth. Once a garlic bulb is broken open, use the cloves within a week for optimal freshness. You can also store peeled garlic cloves and olive oil in the refrigerator for up to a week. Section 9. Unleashing the culinary alchemist. Exploring garlic-infused recipes. Garlic's versatility extends far beyond its medicinal uses. It's a culinary chameleon, capable of transforming simple dishes into culinary masterpieces. From savory soups and stews to fragrant stir-fries and aromatic roasts, garlic adds depth, complexity, and a touch of magic to countless cuisines worldwide. For a simple yet satisfying weeknight meal, try tossing pasta with garlicky olive oil, chili flakes, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Roast a whole chicken with a head of garlic tucked inside for a flavorful and juicy feast. Blend roasted garlic with chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and olive oil for a creamy and flavorful hummus. The possibilities are endless when it comes to cooking with garlic. Don't be afraid to experiment and discover your own signature garlic-infused dishes. Embrace the culinary alchemist within, and let garlic transform your kitchen into a playground of flavors. To learn more about the incredible health benefits of garlic, be sure to check out our ebook. Get your copy today and unlock the full potential of this amazing superfood.